Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, option hedges tonight. Just taking a look at a market that is finally giving up some of the gains here. Interesting to note that the week after quad witching, and last week was June quadruple expiration, the Dow has been down 25 out of the past 29 years, so actually played for that at the end of last week, harvesting some of those gains now with the S&Ps and the Dow both down sharply today. I think the fears maybe of not exactly what the market wants coming out of the G20 with China and Trump are starting to manifest themselves. Also, those Iran fears starting to rear their head. So that's given a bid to gold in a big way. GLD, the gold ETF, breaking out to fresh recent highs here past that 129 level, perhaps a little too sharply. So I'm actually looking at this as being a little over exuberant here, selling out of the money call spreads in August, the 141, 144 call spread for about 55 cents. Gold has been up the last 6 days, up 10% just in June alone. Implied volatility actually at the 100th percentile, which means it's the highest it's been at in the past year. The call put skew is also at an extreme as well. Every technical off the charts overbought. 9-day RSI over 90. MACD also at extremes. GLD trading at a huge premium to the 50-day moving average. So gold kind of starting to look like marijuana or fake meat stock here, as we all know. When you look at a chart that gets parabolic like that, it will end. Question is when, but by selling out of the money call spreads, give myself about a 4% upside cushion on that. Finally, looking at Starbucks, which got upgraded today by Credit Suisse, even though valuations are basically at all-time highs here. They slapped a $92 price target on it. Stock is at 85, so that only leaves about 8% upside here. So I'm just looking with IV at extreme lows on Starbucks, buying some cheap puts out in August, the 82 puts, just looking for this rally in Starbucks, which is up huge over the past several months, to cool off here as cooler heads prevail. So we'll see what happens with the G20 over the weekend. More importantly, what comes out of China as far as any trade tension easing, and then Iran with the bluster going on there. So until then, as always, here's the good trading. Take care.